Hello everyone, back doing an unboxing, probably installation demonstration of this solar street light. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Alright, so I got a manual for it. It's like a post, a couple brackets. It's a massive light here. So let's see, it's got like a crazy amount of LEDs. And it's got a solar panel here on the back. Or I guess that'd be the top. Looks like it has a radar sensor little indicator thing there. Here is also a bag of parts here. Looks like it comes with a little remote and a bunch of bolts and stuff to install this thing. So we're going to go ahead and find a likely location, and yeah, then we're going to see if we can install this thing and show you how it works. So yeah, let's get this going. We'll be back. All right, we're back. So just reading up on this real quick, it says to charge it 2 hours under the sunlight. Then the indicator light flashes, indicating that it's charging. The color of the fully charged indicator light is 2 red lights, plus 2 blue lights, plus 1 green light. Indicator no longer flashes. So once that's all done, then it says we can test remote control work or not. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Put it in the sunlight here for a couple hours, and then we're going to look for a likely place to install it. Okay, bye. All right, we're back. So we're going to go ahead and take these shorter screws that come in the little bag there. I'm going to put in the little tension thing and then the washer. Then we're going ahead and I'm going to go ahead and screw those in a little ways. Not all the way, because I'm going to mount the thing and I don't want it to be on the pole when I mount it. So what I'm going to do is just screw these in a little way. So yeah, that'll work. Okay. So it'll be a lot easier to mount this first and then mount this on there. So we're still letting this charge. We're gonna find a place to mount the pole, and we'll show you us doing that. Okay, bye. All right, we're back. So just in order to mount this where I want to, we're gonna go ahead and drill some holes in some wood. So I need a drill bit that's a little bit bigger than the dimensions of the screw. That should be about perfect. I think it's a 5/16. So I'm gonna drill through like a 2x8, and then maybe find a washer, put it through on the other side, and then secure this into the 2x4 or the 2x8. So gonna need a hammer, a drill, drill bit, and then so what I'm gonna do. Okay, so right up there where my ladder is. So I want to mount it like right up in here. So I'm gonna drill through the wood, and then mount the bracket. So all right, we're back. So now we're gonna go ahead and try and attach the pole. Solid. Don't think that's going anywhere. To fit on there pretty easily. hoping. Oh. So I'm going to try and put it on light side up and then rotate it once I get it on there. Okay. Now I'm going to rotate it. Okay. And then I'm going to tighten down the bolts. Okay. So that's on there pretty solid. So I don't see it going anywhere. All right, we're back. So we got it all installed. It's all charged. I'm going to try the remote now. Let me get the instructions here so I don't mess this up. So the light's on. It says it's, let's see, I think it says it's charged. So turn light on. So, there we go. When you press on button, the solar street light will be at 100% brightness. Okay. Press off. When you press off button, the solar street light will be turned off and cannot be turned on automatically until the next day. So if I press off, okay, nice. Let's see, let's turn it back on. Maybe we need to turn it back on. Okay, and then do motion sensor mode. Okay. And then let's do it at, let's see, when there's no motion in the station light for 10 to 20 seconds, then the brightness returns to 30%. You can do time lighting, timed for 100% lighting, different number of hours or whatever. So got a lot of cool functions there. So let's go with motion sensor mode 25%. Okay, so you see the brightness there. I might do this later at nighttime too, when it's darker. But the remote works really well. All the different functions on it seem to work just fine. You can do timed. You can let it go on for different timed amounts. Like you can do time lighting, so you can press a 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever, and it'll go at like 100% brightness for a certain amount of time without noticing anything. And you can set the brightness level too, 25, 50, 75, 100%. So all those work really well. I'm actually going to come back. Looks like it's sensing me really well. So I'm going to come back actually when it's darker so you guys can see the light to a better degree. But yeah, it looks really nice actually. And we'll see how much light it puts out when it's darker. So we'll be back. Okay, bye. All right. So we're out here in the light. There's the light right now. It's on the motion sensor mode. So I'm going to go ahead and just let it see me here. There. So then it jumps up to 100%. So it's pretty bright. You can see how it lights up the yard around me. So it lights it up really nice, actually. And then after a little bit, it goes back to the 25% mode. So if you want with this light, let's see here, you can set it. I'll do the motion sensor again. So you can set it to different modes. So you can set it to once it sees you, you can set it to motion sensor, and then you can set it to like 25%. So then when it sees me, it only goes to 25%, or I can turn it down to 75% or like 100%. So that's super bright. So depending on how bright you want it when it senses something, that's what you can do. So that's really cool. Or you can do like a 2 hour function. So I'll hit the 2. Can't really see this that well. I'm sorry. You can do it 2 hours, and looks like it'll stay on for like 2 hours. So little 2 hour button right here. 3 hours is here. 5, 6, 8 hours. So you can set it for as long as you want, pretty much up to 8 hours. You can also set it like as the different degrees, 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100% on the little thing around the middle sensor thing. So if I wanted to set it at 25%, then it'll stay at like 25% for like 8 hours. So there's 25%. So let me show you on the grass here. There's like 25%, there's 50%, 75%, and 100%. So you can see that's that works really well. It's about 12 feet up in the air. So I imagine if this was higher, it would even spread like more light. So I'm really impressed with the lighting actually. It's a big area. And like I said, if it was higher, it'd be more. The remote's really easy to use, super functional. The sensor works great. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on sense mode, which is a little thing right in the middle there. Can't really see it, but it's the one in the middle. Um, put it back on sense mode so it drops down to 25% until it detects motion, and then it jumps up to whatever you left it at. So I'm gonna put it to come on at, since I'm not really using it right now, I'm gonna put it to come on at, when it senses something, to come on at 25%. So right now it's just waiting, and I don't know if you can see very well, but I can see well enough with just the light that's giving off right now, like that. I can see enough right now to walk around pretty easily in the dark. Then when it senses me, it's going to come back to 25%. So I don't really need it any more than that at night unless I'm going to be doing something out here. So this is a really nice light. I'm really impressed. The setup was super easy. And puts out a nice light. We'll see how. It seems like the battery that lasts a long time. It's basically still on full charge, and it's been dark for a while now. So, and the light stays on pretty much all night at that really dim level. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that helped. I recommend this light. And like I think I mentioned, it is solar powered, so it's going to save you on power bill. And I imagine if you had a few of these in like a large area, it'd light up the whole thing. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone. Or night. Haha. Okay, bye.